this video I will explain how you can remove unwanted background noise from an audio file. And audio recordings often come with unwanted background noise, which can diminish the overall quality of your audio. And you can remove the background noise from an audio file very easily within just a couple of seconds with a completely 100% free tool called Audacity. And Audacity is an excellent and free option, as I mentioned. It's an open source cross-platform audio software that is widely used for recording and editing audio. You can download it from its official website that you can see over here. It's audacityteam.org. This is the homepage. So you can download it over here. You can also click on downloads in the menu and you have a couple of options. You can choose from Windows or Mac. So just make sure to download Audacity, and after you have installed it, this is how it will look like when you open it the first time. So the first step that we need to do is we need to upload an audio file to Audacity. So let me do that first. So in this case I want to use this audio file. I have called it noise removal example. I don't know what type of music you like, but this is a Snoop Dogg song. So let me zoom in a little bit, and you can do that by clicking the control or the command key and then scroll. So now you can see it's getting more detailed. So what I can do now is, let me give you a quick look. So you can hear that the quality of this song is not really good, and especially in the beginning. If I select this part and I play it, let me go back a little bit, and if I increase the volume, then you can hear unwanted background noise. First I want to mention, so you specifically need to target a part of the audio where you can only hear the background noise, and that is often at the very beginning or the end of a track. Over here we have selected the part where you can only hear the background noise. Next step you need to do is you need to go to Effect. Fortunately, when I was recording the video, I forgot to include that part of Audacity, so this part is left off, but therefore I want to show you it now. But what I do is I go to Effect, then go to the noise removal and repair option, and there you can click on noise reduction. So click on it. Now you will see this screen pop up, and the only thing you have to do is you have to get the noise profile. So let's do that. And the next thing to do is select the entire song. So you can do that by double clicking on it. So as you can see now, it's completely selected. Now we have to repeat the steps. So we have to go back to the Effect, then we have to go back to noise removal and repair and click on noise reduction again. But instead of get noise profile, now the only thing we have to do is we have to click on OK. So to make it clear, in the first step we have selected a part with only the background noise. We have gotten the noise profile for that, and now we have selected the complete song. We go back to the noise reduction settings again, but now we don't click on get noise profile because we already have done that. So now we just have to click on OK. And if I do that, now you can see applying noise reduction. And now if I select the part again, you can still hear the noise, but that is because I have set the volume up. But if I set it back to 0 again, now you can hear it just a little bit, but it was not as bad as it was before. So this is how it sounds now. And a quick tip, what you can do, you can do two things, because you can still hear the background noise and I don't want that. So then you can do two things. You can repeat the same steps again. So select the part where you can only hear the background noise. Repeat the same steps. So go to Effect, go to noise removal and repair, noise reduction, get noise profile, select the whole track, go back to Effects, and where is it? Noise removal and repair, noise reduction, and now click on OK. So you can just repeat it. And now when I play it, you can barely hear it. So you can repeat those steps again, but you can also go to the noise reduction settings and play around with the settings over here. So it's up to you. You can play around with it, or you can do as I did. You can just repeat the same steps. So in this case, let's say if we do it a third time, let's see just how it turns out then. So I'll select the same part again, noise reduction, get noise profile, select the whole track, noise reduction again, click on OK. And now you can see when I play it, you can barely hear anything. You can, maybe if I turn this all the way up, you can hear it very slightly, but it's almost nothing compared to how it was. So now I am happy with how it is. So in that case, you can export the file. Just go to File, go to Export, export as an MP3, or you can select another format. No background noise. You can select the quality. I'll just set it at the standard, and then you can save it. For me, it's the desktop. So click on Save. And now you can see that it's been added over here. So let's compare the two versions that we have. So at the top we have the one with the background reduced, but I will mute it for now. So now you can hear the original one. Let me turn it all the way up. You can see how bad that sounds. But if I now mute this one and unmute this, and I'll select the same part, once again, and now this one. So it's clearly improved. So that is how you can remove the background noise, or you can reduce it. Don't forget, when you export the file as an MP3 or an audio file, don't forget to set the volume back to 0 again, because otherwise it will be completely disordered. So set it back to 0. This one I will remove it. And after you've set it to 0, then you can export it as an audio file. So that's how it works. Play around with it. If you have any audio files where you can clearly hear some unwanted background noise, now you know how you can reduce that. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel if you appreciate this content. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, make sure to let me know in the comment section, and I hope to see you back again in the next video.